Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
There was a great difference in the life of Imam Reza and the life of other Imams. An example of this is declaring Imam as crown prince. As a result, many people started doubting the Imam. On one hand, Ma'mun continued to express that he is a lover of Ahlulbayt and loves them immensely. And on the other hand, Imam used to reveal all his plans. And here we will describe the situation in detail.
O son of the messenger, I am well aware of your superiority in piety and knowledge and worship. And I consider you as the successor of the messenger of God and as true caliph.
The Imam said,
I am proud of the service of God, and I want God to protect me from the evil of this world and grant me the opportunity to obey Him, which is the source of salvation and freedom of human beings.
I thought that I should withdraw from the caliphate and hand over this place to you and pledge allegiance to you.
The Imam said,
If the caliphate and the government have really been given to you by God and you are the rightful caliph, then you cannot distance yourself from the government and hand it over to someone else. And if this caliphate is not yours, how can you give something that is not yours to others?
O son of the messenger, you must accept this caliphate.
Imam said,
I will never accept this work.
If you don't want to accept the caliphate and don't like to pledge allegiance to me, then at least accept the crown prince position, so that you can become the caliph and ruler after me.
The Imam said,
By God, I heard such news from my father that he heard from his father and the messenger of God, that I will be killed by poisoning before Ma'mun, and the angels of the earth and the sky will cry over me. And I'll be buried next to the grave of Harun.
O son of the messenger, who can kill you or insult you while I'm still alive?
The Imam said,
If I want, I can tell who will kill me.
O son of the messenger, you do not want to accept the position of crown prince so that people can say that you are not attached to the world?
The Imam said,
By God, since God created me, I have never told a lie, and I do not even like the world. And I don't like to show off, and I know exactly what you want from me.
What do I want from you?
The Imam said,
If I tell the truth, will I be safe from your evil?
Yes, son of the prophet, you'll be safe.
Then the Imam said,
If I accept the crown, you will say to the people, Look, Ali ibn Musa is not indifferent to the world, and he accepted the crown in greed to become the caliph of the Muslims after Ma'mun.
You always say what I don't like. I feel sorry that I have given you protection. By God, if you do not accept the leadership, I will order that you should be beheaded.
The Imam said,
God has forbidden that a man risks his life with his own hands. If this is what you have to say, so I accept it in compulsion and on a condition that do what you have to do. I will not interfere in your government affairs and always stay away from the decisions you make.
Ma'mun humiliated himself in this meeting. But in the beginning, he expressed his respect to the Imam, but after some time he becomes so courageous that he threatens to kill the Imam, and the Imam have to accept the crown prince position forcefully.